Welcome to the home of Lumineve Consultancy, where we empower minds and engineer brilliance. At Lumineve Consultancy, we're not a speaking business, but we are a performance lab. At Lumineve Consultancy, we partner with organizations using our 3 performance ecosystem. I'm talking about Neuro-Talks, Neuro-Workshops, and Neuro-Coaching. If you are serious about elevating your team's performance, and if you are serious about elevating your leadership team's performance, Lumineve Consultancy is your partner of choice. Because at Lumineve Consultancy, we don't just deliver talks, but we rewire brains. We help your teams, and especially your leadership team, to be able to understand what drives your team's performance. And that understanding will help them to take your team from this level to that level. And if that is what you're looking for, then Lumineve Consultancy is your partner of choice. So our facility includes our podcast studio, where we host engaging conversations with leaders. We have our conference venue, where we host workshops for different teams. And also we have our dining area where teams go and indulge themselves. And then finally, in between, we have this beautiful and therapeutic garden that helps people and our guests to be able to be calm and just to connect with nature. And that's something that is required when you are talking about mind re-engineering, because you need to be in touch with nature. It's something that gives you some magic. If you are serious about elevating your team's performance, we have the facility, we have the tools, and we are ready to partner with you. Remember, at Lumineve Consultancy, we are not a speaking business. We are a performance lab. Would you like to learn more about it? Please then contact us at lumineveclt.com.